Are you too lazy to clean your pool? Well, let's look at this product. Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Anley, and today we're going to be looking at the WYBOT C1 cordless robotic pool cleaner vacuum. As you know, in each episode, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. We're going to take a look at the WYBOT C1 cordless robotic pool cleaner vacuum. One of the first things you see is this quick start guide right here. Get everything ready, starting the device, and doing your app. Looks like we have a charger in here. Very nice. This looks like we have some of our filters in here and a business card. And it looks like this should be the hook so that you can kind of grab it underwater and pull it up. Very, very cool. Our user manual. So it looks like everything you need to know about the device. And finally, the device itself. Nice. WYBOT. Great job. Well, let's try it out.
Efficient cleaning equipped with an upgraded independent water pump motor, achieving a maximum filtration rate of 2,642 GPH. Dual PVC brushes with a strong grip, which can thoroughly and efficiently attack various debris, garbage like sands, leaves, and tough dirt from all pool surfaces. Ensuring a thoroughly clean and crystal clear pool provides you with a refreshing swimming experience. Full Pool Clean. Offering default settings and versatile cleaning modes, this pool cleaner efficiently cleans pool floors, walls, and water lines. In default mode, it intelligently allocates cleaning time, starting with wall cleaning before moving on to a deep cleaning of the pool floor. Longer running time. The pool vacuum boasts a long battery life, providing up to 120 to 150 minutes of continuous runtime. Moreover, its rapid charging capability ensures it is ready for the next cleaning session in about 3 hours. Equipped with advanced sensors and gyroscopes, this robotic pool cleaner maps and navigates the pool with unmatched precision, resulting in methodical coverage with fewer missed spots. Easy filter cleaning. Large top-load filter cartridges with superior filtering abilities that traps and locks in debris for optimal cleaning. To clean the filters, simply open the front cover, remove the filter basket from the pool cleaner, and rinse them with a garden hose. Worry-free service. As a professional pool cleaner manufacturer, WYBOT guarantees you not only a 2-year warranty, but also a 30-day return period. Installing the floating block is simple. Just screw it into place with the 2 screws. This helps with tiled pools and vertical wall clean. Once you turn the device on, hold the cleaner by the handle and put it into the pool within 3 minutes, otherwise it'll turn off. Let it sink to the bottom to empty trapped air inside. After 20 seconds, auto calibration will finish and the light will turn flashing blue. This means the cleaner is ready. Cleaner will then begin cleaning based on app settings. Cleaner will automatically move to stop by edge of the wall when finished or battery is low. You can use the hook and pull rod to lift cleaner out or with your hands. Pull cleaner out vertically to drain inside water out quickly. Cleaning the filter is easy and simple. Make sure the device is powered off when opening the top cover. Clean the filter basket before being dry. Hold the filter cover handles, press and open it. Take out the filter, rinse and empty debris, place filter back inside, and close the cover. Easy! Well, WYBOT, thanks to you, I'll have a clean pool all summer long. We'd like to give a huge shout out to WYBOT for sponsoring this video. All of their links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.